Many expert traders use channels and median lines in their trading, and I wanted to talk some more about channels. There's a channel study that is fully customizable that comes on most of the platforms. It's called the Linear Regression Channel. The settings I like to use are price close, width 90, full range, no, and length 120. You can adjust these for different instruments and different time frames. The main advantage is that it's automatic. The disadvantage is that it readjusts on every candle. In other words, it repaints. When price approaches a line, it might reverse, might shoot through and then reverse, or it might go sideways into a range. Here's a few examples like MVIS that we looked at earlier. Here's our first example, MVIS, with the dotted lines being the regression channel. As you can see, the median line catches most of the price action as it's going up. Our next example is OGEN, where the price action was mostly in between the channel. Here's our next example, OPTT. Again, everything's pretty much within the channel. SNDL, within the channel. HSDT, within the channel. But if we look at the 30-minute, we see something interesting. And if we look at the 1 hour, we see a lot of the prices within the channel. ACHV doesn't look like much there. It did hit the bounds of the channel, but if you look at the 30-minute, looks a little more interesting. And if you look at the 1 hour, looks even more interesting. We go to OCGN. PEI. AMPY. SINT. KMPH, TRPX, and it doesn't look like a whole lot right there. It looks like it's ranging pretty much. If we go to the 30-minute, it looks a little different. And if we go to the 1 hour, it's all within the range pretty much. Our last one is IPI. This is the 15 minutes. Go to the 30 minutes. And go to the 1 hour. Looks pretty interesting. Something to look at. Draws your channel automatically. If you want to keep track of where the channel was at a certain time, you can draw your trend lines in manually, and then you'll know where it was, and if it repaints, you can see which way the repainting is going. Have a great day. Thank you very much.